day, everyone. I am Irene Rose A. Bayuran. Today, I'm going to tackle one of the kinds of multiple choice test, which is the STEM and options variety, setting and options variety, and example of setting and options variety. So, before that, we are going to know the 5 varieties. Multiple choice has 5 varieties. These are STEM and options variety, setting and options variety, group term variety, structured response variety, and the last one, contained options variety. The first one is going to discuss which is STEM and options variety. STEM and options variety. This variety is most commonly used in classroom testing, board examinations, civil service examinations, and many others. A multiple choice item consists of a problem, known as the STEM, and a list of suggested solutions, known as alternatives. The alternatives consist of one correct or best alternative, which is the answer. We should know what is STEM and alternative for constructing a STEM and options variety. So, this problem is what we called a STEM. In this 4 option is what we call alternatives. So this is the example for constructing in STEM and options variety. So if you can see this example, it is my own example for sample test item of STEM and options variety. So this is my example for this video, and this one, the problem, this one is what we call STEM, and the option is what we call alternatives. So this is the example for a constructing for STEM and options variety. The second one is setting and options variety. Setting and options variety, the optional responses are dependent upon a setting or foundation which includes graphical representation, a sentence, paragraph, pictures, equation, or some forms of representation. This setting and options variety is many more options to make a multiple choice test. This one my own example for the equation of illustration 1 in the setting and options variety. So first we're going to make a direction and the given. Then we make multiple choice test, which is the STEM and alternative. So this is my example for the equation in the setting and options variety. This is my second example for the setting and options variety. This is my illustration 2, which is graph. So this is my own example for the graph. The first one to make is we make a graph. Then what is the purpose of a graph? This is a graph of annual food grain production. So I can make the direction on how to answer this question. I have done my report. Thank you everyone for listening. and stay safe always. Thank you.